Hey guys, welcome to another video. I'm going to show you what is this new party is. Okay, this is a friendship party, and look, whoa, pink carded, pink swirls, pink walls. I don't know what that is. Oh, a dance floor. Woohoo! This is based on the jam art, clothing, or the furniture. So, the friendship party banner, a pink chest, a chair, pink sofa. Okay, this is our sale. Heart tree, heart table, heart window, heart welcome mat. Now the pink walls and pink swirls are used to be beta until now. This is the wavy pink walls, pink swirls. Wow, this also is a new. Oh, that looks like a gym holiday. It's a gym holiday firehouse. Yeah, that looks like a Hanukkah miniature home. A Hades frog, you know that's beta. And Gems bowl. Display party on this, or this. So that's why this is on the Princess Castle Day. Beta dams are like 2010. But now beta dams are not. No more beta dams anymore. These are statue cups. Oh, the chair. Let's sit on it. The chair. And you look, sit. Ooh! I'm the queen of the friendship party. Oh, I feel so cold. I need to get warmer. Friendship party. Fountain and balloons. Oh, a beautiful garden. I want to purchase that on F-Wonders. Oh. That's part of the friendship. You can only buy it in February, I think. This is about February. It's gonna be coming up. Oh, I want this. Sale. I'm not sure. I think there's no clothing on here. Oh, sit on you. I could. Oh, I love this bed. Ooh. Table. Beta stuff. Now then, look, you could make this. No, look. Make tigers. Charlie. This is another way. Nina does come back. Okay. Now this newly friendship party. I'm not sure if they have on the Epic or their shop. I'm gonna tell you. Well, not gonna tell you the banner. Banner, a chest, a tree. Not mini Vita. Baby flowers. And I don't know how to switch to another world. That's the most popular party. Or selling parties. Oh. This party will end until or selling party starts 5 minutes. You'll try to go to a different world. It won't work. I kinda don't like about beta stuff for coming back. Or I don't like the betas to come back, or else they will not be beta. there before September 2010. It was not at the beta days. What made this after Lemon Shop was opened, but before QR Outback still. But it got packed after 3 days after Summer Carnival was over. And I felt I cried. Then look, you know what my old user is? That's what my old user was. And right away. Pink swirls and pink quads. Okay. That last one's bye. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And talk about parties.